That's a bee.
You'll be fine.
What's that saying about like the blacker the berry?
Oh, wow. That's basically that. I feel you. I'm feeling it for real. This is, they're hitting. I'm gonna go from this side so that way the light can like actually get up in there. What up, you guys? Your boy Taxi on the lens. We're back at it again. We got another man. Today we have the lovely
Curly head Carnes.
You guys
how y'all doing?
already know the vibes, man. We about to go ahead and get straight into it, man. We got a little all the poses that you need. Nah, but we look today. We're here kind of playing around with some poses in a garden. You know what I'm saying? Playing around with some poses in a garden. Bro. Eating me up is like a very much understatement, brother. Oh yeah. See, we love that. You seen that? Little friend, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, there's a whole lot of gas. We're about to have a little bit of fun. About to go ahead and do a little shoot, you know what I'm saying? A little quick, little nice little About to play around with some poses. You guys already know the vibes. Let's do it. I'm rambling. This shit's crazy. What's up, y'all? I'm vlogging off the GoPro right now. This is entirely insane. I'm vlogging off the GoPro, man. I'm trying to see like if this really like is a good vlog camera or not, because if it is, I'm gonna use this bit all the time. You know, we're gonna see. You know, we're trying to see if we got some good lighting. But yeah, we're vlogging off the GoPro. It's a whole lot of gas. We're about to go ahead and shoot with Carms, man. You guys already know the vibes. Hitting her, we're about to go to a garden, do a little garden shoot. I'm gonna have you guys around my neck on the GoPro side. And yeah, it should be fun. You know what I'm saying? It really should be fun. I'm gonna transfer all the footage over and try to edit this today. Have a little bit of fun with that and try to edit it and get it done today. Yeah, I gotta get used to using this. It's kind of cool. I get to see the battery life and everything right here and see how many hours I got left. It's kind of fun, honestly. I got a super view, which means like you guys can be super close to me, but also be super far at the exact same time. So we're gonna see how this works. Casper's playing with my feet. Like, why? Why are you doing that? Stop, little boy. But yeah. I think with the GoPro, only thing that we need is like a lot of light. I think that's all you need for the GoPro. You just need a lot of light. So I think it'll be good for daytime footage and stuff like that when we have a lot of light. All right, you guys, we're on our way right now to go meet Carmen. Yeah. Whole lot of gas, about to go have some fun. We're gonna see exactly what we're gonna do. We're going to a garden right now, so we're gonna see like what kind of vibes the garden brings. And yeah, it should be kind of fun. I got my GoPro, you can see both angles. It's kind of cool, so we'll see how this kind of like matches up or whatever. But yeah, so we're about to go ahead and go there and see what vibes we have. I brought everything that I need and maybe even more to try to play with some stuff and try to like make it look cute. She had this like red dress we're gonna have some fun with, like with the little like I don't know, man. I was like, man, a garden shoot would kind of be cool. So like I was like, man, let's go to the garden. Let's see, it's a hot day, nice hot day. You know what I'm saying? Garden vibes, sunlight, strobe, all that. Let's have some fun. Let's do it. You guys like these little like vlog style videos, so I'm trying to like come back with those because these are the videos that did good on the channel at first. So we're gonna go ahead and continue to try to make some content like this. But yeah, I'm driving right now. Currently, I got my GoPro on my neck. So we're gonna see how this plays out. But yeah, love you guys. I'll let you guys know when we get there. Yeah. Carmen, guys. Carmen gets out of the car. She's standing. This is Carmen, guys. Here we are. It's a lovely mead botanical garden. Things of that nature.
Nature for real.
You're gonna hate me.
Why?
We gotta repark.
Why?
Because I'm trying to go up there. There we go. So we got two POVs. Yeah. What up, you guys? Your boy Taxi on the lens. We're back at it again. We got another man. Today we have the lovely
Curly head Carnes.
You guys
how y'all doing?
already know the vibes, man. We about to go ahead and get straight into it, man. We got a little all the poses that you need. Nah, but we look today. We're here kind of playing around with some poses in a garden. You know what I'm saying? Playing around with some poses in a garden. Bro. Eating me up is like a very much understatement, brother. Oh yeah. See, we love that. You seen that? Little friend, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, there's a whole lot of gas. We're about to have a little bit of fun. About to go ahead and do a little shoot, you know what I'm saying? A little quick, little nice little About to play around with some poses. You guys already know the vibes. Let's do it. I'm rambling. All right, man. Yeah, y'all see this? Yeah, this is cool. All right, I'm about to turn these boys on. Skew. All right. As y'all can see, I got some big shit going on. Y'all see this right here? This is some big shit right here. Y'all see that? Look at this, man. I got two 8200s turned into damn near an 8400 right now. So this shit about to blast off like crazy. We about to have a little bit of fun. Let's do it. shoot commencing and things of that nature. But let me see. Test shot. Come forward more. A little bit more. Right there. Hold it. All right. I gotta turn my black. I gotta turn this bit all the way up. I feel like both of them gotta be up. 3200. 16. Ooh! I ain't gonna lie, this is kind of going crazy. So I was gonna get 8400, but low-key these two 8200s marking into an 8400 is kind of hard. I'm not gonna lie. So I got the two blasting off, and that thing kind of hit. We about to see. Like, let's see. There we go. Yep. You gotta love like a model that you don't have to tell too much to. Like, she knows exactly what she's doing. There we go. Ooh, look at this. Hold on, wait.
Stop.
Hold on. I'm saying the light though is crazy.
Yeah, it's like natural.
It looks like, right?
Looks,
yeah.
Yeah.
Like, what?
Yeah, those are cute. We're in. Oh, I like that. Go back. I like that one. I like a little bit.
This is cute.
But
I ain't gonna lie, these are hard. But
I feel like we're on like a tropical island.
Right?
Is this manifesting? Am I gonna make it to Jamaica this year?
Possible. Yo, bro, do I look crazy, y'all? Like, I got this big ass gadget on my face, on my like mouth and shit. This look wild or nah? Like, y'all like it? Cause I got like a cord running from it too, so that way it could get continuous power. Yeah. Then I got this microphone, which is the microphone that's connected to her, so that way you guys can still hear me at the same time. Yeah. Let's see. There we go. Let me see. Hold it. Ooh, I want like a little bit more of like, I want like that. Yeah, there we go. Yep, that's cute. Hold it. Go back, yep, hold it. Left hand on your hair. Yep. He is tearing me up, boy. They don't like me here. Telling me to go back home. There we go, hold it. Ooh, yeah. Man, I ain't gonna lie, I love these. The crazy part about it is like you could post these and tag wherever you want.
Yeah.
Like they would never know. They would never know. They'd be like, oh, are they?
What's that location?
They would never know. I'm gonna run off once again because they would never know. Let me try to think. I'm trying to think what you could do. I might try to see if we can. I might back up.
I wanted to go back so I could like hold
back
on to
more,
the
right?
things.
Yeah. Go ahead. I gotta move this though. You're good.
You keep saying like you keep getting like the bugs keep biting you, and what's that saying about like the blacker the berry?
Oh wow. That's basically that. I feel you. I'm feeling it for real. This is they're hitting. I'm gonna go from this side so that way the light can like actually get up in there. Oh. Cause they're not fucking with her, y'all. They leaving her alone.
Bro, they were no. Cause I was outside the other day and whew, I already got my ones in.
I ain't gonna lie, this content creator life not for the weak, man. Real shit. It's like, bro, it's not for the weak. Okay, let's see. Oh, I like these. These are cute. Without the flash, it's crazy because you could see, like, you could tell that it wouldn't look as good as it does. Hold it. Bro, they're fucking me up. Like, I'm watching them land on me. Hold it. Oh my gosh. Hold it. Oh man. I'm like watching them land on me. Like I'm literally watching them.
Need
like,
some mosquito
hey,
spray,
buddy. Like,
what's your name? Oh, those are cute.
Right? Right?
Yeah. Okay. Angles.
No, real shit though. You know that you gotta. I'm using the leaf right here as some foreground. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
I really don't like shoot my glasses either.
Huh?
I don't even shoot my glasses on.
Oh, and you got them on today. No cap. That's definitely like, that's different because you really don't.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I don't need it.